INOD stock analysis and INDO stock prediction. I'm breaking down my exact play because I just did INOD. It's INDO, Indonesia Energy Corporation. I'm looking to definitely double down and buy more. How this looks like is very decent. I mean, I don't think that I any recently I've made a video on this. Yes, you can see like no drawings are here. And all I'm here to tell you is from my previous 42,000 video experience in 5 years into this game, documenting everything, I've seen actually what's printing me money and what is not. Especially here. Here's the top of the range. And this my demand. So how this would look like is, yes, I'm looking to buy as long as there is a confirmation. And again, this is a 30-minute chart. So definitely like acceptable. So boom, boom. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.